Hello everyone, my name is Sayorma and today we have our senior alumni, Mr. Surya Pratap Sir with us from CSC department batch 2008 to 12. So sir, can you please share your experience from SMS college, from SMS to be in corporate?
Thank you so much for inviting me here. And first of all, I like to thank each and every member from the SNS group. And let me special thanks to our guidance sirs, UK sir, and others as well, everyone who helped us with each and every step. So, if you talk about the initial phase of our journey, we started, we joined here at 2008. And that time only one or two building was constructed and we was under construction phase. So we was, I think we are the builder of this SMS that time. And yeah, that time, and the second thing is like what we had to do. That time study was like next level. Everyone is fully focused on how to teach each and everything. All the teachers are well qualified. On each and every state. We were learning technologies, learning the soft skills and everything. And if you talk, there are many things we have to work here. So basically, overall, you talk about the journey here. Journey is very good. As we are the new, we have some challenges, but we have come up with something good from it. And looks good in 5 hours now. I can see almost my batch members each and every one is very good. We are well settled because of the help of our senior members. So yeah, that's all I think.
Thank you sir for your information. And now I would like to ask you, what's the advice which you would give us for our career to become just like you?
So okay, so if you ask about the advice in the feedback from me, so I will say as I was a software engineer, I was working on multiple AMCs. So I got almost top of the top AMCs. So if you have, there are two ways now. I think the two ways. One, if you want to become software engineer. Second, if you want to go on the industry. If you want to become software engineer, speak one language. It doesn't matter which language you want to learn. Learn Java, C++, Python, Excel, anything. At least speak one language. Learn in your 4 years of entrepreneurship and become the master of it. According to me, degree is just a get pass. According to the degree, you will get 70% degree, 97 whatever you know. It doesn't matter for me. It is just a get pass because you are just eligible to be dedicated. So you are just once what a degree you get, you will just go on school. Now, actual interviews start after that. So now they will ask about the technical things, what you have learned in this whole thing. So mostly, let's say if you are coming as a developer, in that case you should know one language so that you can say in the reverse, sir, I know this language, I have this division, I have learned this particular language. You can ask a question on this. So we were bounded with it or not. Well, interview have to ask a question on based on that particular section, particular area. If you won't write that, you are given the open background, open ground to use. You ask anything. So first of all, history it was I do this thing. I was the master of this particular section. You ask whatever you want to ask about this particular thing. So you have restricted the interview. Now we will ask some this particular. Now it's your ground because you know about history. You are saying like in your ground. I am asking the question about your ground itself. You know everything. You can take the answers comfortably. So there is only one way. At least learn basic of any one technology and improve your communication. This is two mantra to become successful. Apart from your daily activities.
Thank you, sir, for this. And now our last question is, sir, what is the importance of leadership on our career to become successful?
It's very important leadership because we need someone who can mentor. So for us, let's say that time, like as we are new, we don't have any seniors. So for us, our senior is our then seven other senior faculty members. So they used to provide guidance to you. So there is very important of a senior member because the challenges which we have faced. If you ask me the challenges which I face, I can say this is the challenge I face. We just try to improve on this section. So let's say I told you just 3 minutes there from me, right? Improve your technical skill, improve your communication. These are two mantra one. You have to learn if you improve to get basics any of the industry. That's only two mantra.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for your info.